How to fix Snapchat camera quality on Android mobile. So you can start by checking your internet connection. For that, you may open up your settings of your main device, main settings, and head over to option called connections. And once you are there under this Wi-Fi section, check if you have poor internet or not. If yes, you may switch up between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that is done, what you can do is, if you have opened up Snapchat on your device like this, go ahead and close up your Snapchat completely, and then go ahead and restart your Snapchat. Otherwise, a simple restart of your device should be also helping to often resolve the minor glitches. Apart from that, ensure that you are using the latest version. So head over to Play Store and then go to the search. After that, type in Snapchat, and then if there is any kind of update available, tap on update to update your app to the latest version. Another thing is, if your app freezes, you can long press on the app, go to the info section, and after going there, scroll down, and at the last section you should be finding a force stop option. You can tap on it and reopen the app in order to fix that. So after you go ahead and do that, you may also try reinstalling the application Snapchat by uninstalling it. Long press on the app and you should be finding uninstall option. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, uninstall. Also, go to the info section again and go to storage, and then go ahead and clear the cache of the app, and that's it. So these are some of the solutions you can follow up in order to fix your Snapchat camera quality. Otherwise, ensure that your physical camera, your camera lens is okay, because that may be also the issue why you are having that camera quality issue. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.